Hello and good evening, everyone. Welcome to Black Moms Can, Black Mom Society Community Town Hall, where we'll be discussing our maternal health care and healthcare. We are so excited to have you here with us. Tonight, we are so graciously welcomed by several panelists and our moderator, Mrs. Zephanie Smith Eisenstadt, who will be leading us in a discussion and a conversation across different industries, and also taking questions from you as our audience and as our guests. And we are so happy to have you here. So just to introduce everyone, just to introduce who I am Dr. Makita Green. I am the CEO and founder of Black Mom Society Incorporated. We are a women's group that focuses on the professional and empowerment of young Black moms across all levels, whether you are a new mom, prenatal, empty nester, you're in the middle, you are just where you're supposed to be at this moment, and all moms, whether you are a momty, a godmom, you are a mom of adopted children, it does not matter. You are a mom and we love you and we are here to support you and care for you just the same. And with that being said, we are going to start off with our why. At this moment, we are in a current election cycle, and we are so happy to have this conversation. This is a much needed conversation, a much necessary conversation, and we require that this is needed for our Black moms to feel empowered in our space. And as you can see within my son, he's also excited for this conversation too, if you don't hear him. And we are here today to talk about why this critical issue within maternal health and healthcare. Although this is not something that we see within our national election, we understand that maternal health care, topics around families and women are definitely critical and important within our local elections. And with that being said, we have to make sure that we understand the importance of it. We understand our why, and we understand the necessary topics and information so that we make informed decisions about our leaders and our school boards and everything that's related to us within our communities. And our aim is to make sure that everyone has an impactful, comfortable insight, experience, and understanding of what we're doing here. So with that being said, we will start off with our panelists. We have Dr. Astral Webb, who is the CEO founder of Healthy Kinder International. She is a physician. She is also, I would dare say, one of my mentors, and she is going to be speaking to us about breastfeeding and the importance of having that information for our young moms. Our second panelist will be Mrs. Yannick Williams Adeniji. She is a licensed social worker serving at the current moment Virginia, New York, Maryland, and Washington, D.C. She is also the CEO founder of Full Joy Mental Health Care Practice, serving Maryland, Washington, D.C., New York, and also Virginia. She will be speaking to us today on the importance of maternal mental health, postpartum, and the fourth trimester. We also have Ms. Yasmin Lachman, who is serving as one of the current board members of DMV, District of Maryland, Virginia, St. Vincent Grenadines, Mutual Aid Relief, and she will be our public health expert focusing on a Gen Z conversation, speaking to our young moms and our young women on their health care and also reproductive justice. And we also have Mrs. Colette Cyrus Burnett, the CEO and founder of Global Food Warrior. She is our expert on everything related to food, agriculture, sustainable food, and what we are doing holistically to our bodies as we are preparing, as we are moms, women, and our families, and what we are putting in our systems, because that is also important to our healthcare as well. And then we have, certainly last but not least, we have our lovely moderator, Mrs. Stephanie Smith Eisenstadt. She is currently hailing to us from Hawaii, and she is our resident expert on public health expert on everything related to maternal health care and healthcare. And we will get started in a few minutes.